Thank you, Congresswoman Bass. First of all, what you can do is cancel that CP. Stop. It recommend. It's not up to you to cancel it. You have to recommend.
What?
I said that you have to cancel the CEP, but I correct my language and I said it's not up to you to cancel it. It's to not support Jovenel Moise with that CEP. The CEP is the electoral council.
Okay.
We cannot continue with an illegal electoral council. We cannot have a referendum that is illegal, and we have to listen to civil society. And the solution now is, since the term of the president ended last month, we have to constitute a non-partisan, consensus-based team that is capable of leading the country, organize fair election, restore peace, improve the overall security conditions.
Do you have respected leaders that, if the president was called on to step aside, are there respectable, unifying leaders that we could call for, should be a part of that team that you just mentioned?
Of course, it would be a disaster if there were no qualified, serious, and non-corrupt Haitians.
No, it's not qualified people. The question is,
serious and non-corrupt people. Yes, there exist people like this exist. There are many people like this, and actually there is a consensus among civil society that we can have such team. All we need to do is to have Jovenel Moise to back it, and we also need.
My time is running out, but can you tell us who those people are, what the team would be? And you don't have to answer right this question second, but can you send it to us?
I cannot name anyone because of the current situation in Haiti. I'm afraid if I name them now, they might be arrested.
Right. The gentlelady's time has expired.